Have you ever heard of a plant that can stretch several centimeters while the world sleeps? That living wonder is bamboo, a symbol of endurance, flexibility, and quiet strength. Among the fastest growing organisms on Earth, bamboo embodies balance between ancient tradition and modern sustainability. From rural fields to bustling cities, this humble grass has evolved into one of the most valuable, renewable resources of our time. Today, we'll trace its incredible path, from the fertile soils where it first takes root to the moment it becomes part of our homes and daily lives. Our journey begins in China, home to over 2/3 of the world's bamboo forests. Here, bamboo is far more than a plant. It's a legacy, woven deeply into culture, art, and philosophy. But beyond symbolism, it's also an engine of green development, providing stable income for millions of farming families. Farmers nurture new shoots through two main techniques, cutting and root division. For cuttings, they choose a strong, youthful node from the parent stalk, wrap it with nutrient-rich soil, and keep it moist until fine white roots appear. Only then is it separated and replanted on its own. In other regions, they use mature stem sections, buried diagonally in damp earth, to awaken natural sprouting. Planting usually takes place in spring or early rainy seasons, when warmth and humidity favor rapid growth. Each plant is spaced about 2 to 3 meters apart, allowing air, light, and space for the underground network of rhizomes to expand. Farmers trim weak shoots, clear weeds, and even burn organic remains to enrich and disinfect the soil for the next cycle. During harvest season, skilled workers choose only the thickest, straightest, and oldest stems, the ones prized for construction, furniture, and export. Cutting usually happens in dry months to prevent cracking or decay during storage. Using sharp machetes or mechanical saws, harvesters slice neatly at the base to avoid damaging the root system. Branches are trimmed off, leaving the main shaft intact, sometimes stretching over 15 meters high and 20 centimeters wide. Guided by ropes and teamwork, bamboo cutters bring each stem down safely, bundling them into 4 6-meter sections for transport. Loaded onto heavy trucks, these bundles travel overnight from mountain forests to massive processing plants. China remains the undisputed leader of global bamboo production, with over 78,000 square kilometers of bamboo forest. The provinces of Zhejiang and Hunan stand out, thanks to their humid subtropical climate and iron-rich red soils that favor vigorous growth. After 3 to 5 years, the young groves stand tall and strong. Their fibers are dense, flexible, and perfectly matured for harvest. Fast-growing commercial species reach maturity in as little as 2 years, while larger varieties, like giant bamboo, are left to grow longer for maximum strength. In these regions, new shoots grow naturally around mature plants, regenerating forests without replanting. These tender shoots are also harvested as nutrient-rich food, high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin B6, boosting digestion and immunity. Farmers collect them when they're 15 to 45 centimeters tall, peel off the coarse layers, and process the soft white core the very same day into pickled, dried, or canned bamboo for local and international markets. After harvesting, matured bamboo are moved to the processing plant. Bamboo now fuels countless industries, from architecture and design to textiles, eco-packaging, and kitchenware. One of the most popular products is the bamboo cutting board, strong, sleek, and entirely biodegradable. It all begins by selecting the right stalks, which are then cut, steamed at over 120 degrees, and flattened through a high-pressure laminator. Thin sheets are layered with eco-safe adhesive and pressed under heat and pressure to form solid blocks. Once cooled, machines carve them into shape, followed by precise hand sanding and edge rounding for a smooth, elegant finish. The result, a durable, sustainable kitchen tool that embodies the spirit of natural craftsmanship. In factories, Harvested bamboo is sliced into fine strips and soaked in protective solutions that prevent pests and mold. After drying, these strips are pressed into laminated panels, dense, sturdy boards with a warm, natural tone and high structural strength. These panels form the backbone of floors, walls, and furniture in eco-friendly homes worldwide. In China, nothing goes to waste. Everything's a raw material, durable, and beautiful. Perhaps no object symbolizes bamboo's cultural reach better than the humble chopstick. Each one begins as a 25 cm segment from a 2 to 3-year-old stalk, split and shaped by precision machines into smooth, rounded pairs. Modern factories can create thousands of pairs per hour, sterilizing them with steam before careful inspection and packaging. From street stalls to fine restaurants, these lightweight utensils serve millions every day. From farm to the streets and to the household, this industry makes millions of dollars from chopsticks productions annually. In many rural regions, bamboo's story ends, but also begins anew, as bamboo charcoal cut stalks are trimmed, dried, and sealed inside brick or steel kilns. There, under 500 degrees Celsius heat for 2 nights, the material carbonizes into light, glossy black charcoal, clean burning, odor absorbing, and highly valuable. Once cooled, the charcoal is packed and shipped across Asia, supporting families while promoting eco-friendly energy alternatives. Bamboo is more than a resource. It's proof that nature and progress can grow hand in hand. It regenerates without replanting, restores soil, captures carbon, and supports rural economies, all while providing materials for a greener world. By choosing bamboo-based products, we invest in a cleaner, more sustainable planet, one that thrives, renews, and breathes life into the future.